About 3 weeks ago, I got an email from someone that said, "Hey Russell, do you know that iCEcube2 is no longer free? It now costs $471 per person per year." I was completely shocked by this. If you don't know, iCEcube2 is the tool that is used to build and program ICE40 FPGAs, such as the one here on the Go board. This takes your Verilog and VHDL code and allows you to program the board. Without this board is completely useless, as are millions of dollars of other consumer boards that are out in the field. Thankfully, the internet immediately jumped on this, realized how big of a deal this was, raised awareness on Reddit threads and on Twitter, and started communicating with Lattice and saying, hey, this is a big problem. I personally reached out to some representatives on LinkedIn in sales and marketing and said, what can we do to fix this problem, guys? This is a big issue. Thankfully, I'm here to announce that they heard the complaints of the internet and they've changed the policy. iCEcube2 is now free again. So thank you all for raising awareness of this huge problem that was going to affect not only me and people who have the Go board, but others who are in the hacker and hobbyist FPGA community. So I want to ask all of you here, if you have bought the book and if you have read it and enjoyed it, please go leave a review on Amazon that clarifies the state of the situation. I've been receiving some bad reviews because frankly, people are saying, like, I can't get the license anymore, this book's garbage, which I understand. But if you could write a review and clarify the state of things, I would be very much appreciative. So to summarize, Lattice changed their license policy, but they heard the complaints of the internet. They're going to work better going forward with educators and hobbyists like us. So happy coding, everybody.